Hello everyone. Did you know that quantum optimization is an approach that uses quantum computing principles such as superposition, entanglement, and quantum tunneling to solve optimization problems more efficiently than classical methods, especially when dealing with massive, complex, or combinatorial search spaces? Instead of evaluating one solution at a time, quantum algorithms can explore many possibilities simultaneously and escape local minima more easily, enabling faster or higher quality solutions for problems like routing, scheduling, portfolio management, machine learning training, and energy minimization. While current quantum hardware is still limited, quantum optimization is considered one of the most promising early applications of quantum computing. Quantum optimization has promising applications across fields that involve complex decision-making and large combinatorial search spaces, such as optimizing logistics routes, supply chain operations, and manufacturing schedules, improving financial portfolio allocation and risk management, enhancing machine learning tasks like model training, clustering, and feature selection, optimizing energy systems for grid management and resource distribution, and accelerating drug discovery and materials design through molecular energy minimization. It is also valuable in telecommunications for network routing, in robotics for trajectory planning, and in blockchain for improving consensus efficiency and cryptographic mechanisms. Although current quantum hardware is still evolving, these areas are already seeing experimental benefits from quantum optimization techniques like quantum annealing and hybrid quantum classical algorithms. What do you think about the quantum optimization techniques? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Many thanks for watching. See you in the next video.